Craftsman 2-stroke mini tiller, won't start, new 1_40 gas, new spark plug, new carburetor. I replaced about everything I can think of and it won't even hit when I pull the rope. I know this tiller has problems. I need an answer.
Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is I will do my best to help you find the answer you need to resolve your problem. A few simple tests first. Remove the muffler and look inside the exhaust port for the piston. Let me know what it looks like. Also remove the spark plug and then hook it up to the wire. Using a pair of insulated pliers, hold the threaded portion of the plug against the engine and pull the engine over. You should see a bright spark at the tip. Let me know what you find out with these two tests and we can determine what is wrong with your tiller.
The spark appears bright and I can see the top of the piston by removing the muffler. The spark was good and I could see the piston move up and down. I'm having problems with Tour website. The spark is good and I can see the piston move up and down.
Spark is good, one thing down. Next, watching through the window of the exhaust hole, rotate the engine so you can see the side of the piston. It should be shiny and chrome looking, no scratches, scores or sandpaper looking marks.
I see scoring and looks like deposits around the ring.
Scoring means that you need to replace the piston and cylinder. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but his engine is dead unless you rebuild it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.